So hey guys, what's up? In this video I'm going to show you how to test your Samsung A06 device through your phone diagnostic. So first of all, you guys have to go to members, basically Samsung members, and here as you guys see we have this interface. Now comes to support option. So in this section we have phone diagnostic. All you guys have to do just tap on phone diagnostic and we have all the things to test. If you want to test it manually, you can test one by one, but if you want to test it continuously, so just click on test all, then your all the things will be start testing. Okay, so just tap to test all and restart testing. So this is how it's work. Right now we don't have SD card, no. So guys, that's how we can do the diagnostic of our Samsung Galaxy A06 device. You guys can do it completely by this method. I've just stopped it because that's how it's work. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.